Passive income is something we all want and hear a lot about. But what is it and how can you start earning it? I'm going to go over that and more right now. Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about social media marketing, video, and product reviews, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. So what is passive income and how do you start earning it? Passive income is money you earn in a way that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. Some passive income ideas like affiliate marketing or building a membership-based website may take some work to get up and running, but they can eventually earn you money while you sleep. Now, there are plenty of different passive income options and explanations of how to build it. If you're new to the idea or concept, let me tell you this right up front. Just because you watch this or any other video on YouTube, Facebook, or wherever, and someone you follow is telling you they make insert amount of money here with passive income, know that you probably won't start earning that same revenue on day 1 or day 365 for that matter. This is a process and can take time to build. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that you can't potentially earn as much as your favorite creator is making. Actually, I'm telling you that you can. However, I want you to realize and know that this takes time to set up and find your groove when it comes to earning revenue. Passive income generally won't make you wealthy overnight, so forget about any get-rich-quick schemes you've heard of. But steady, profitable passive income options can build some serious money over time. Now, we're talking anywhere from a few $100s to tens of thousands of dollars a month, depending on the income stream. Passive income can be built in many ways, so let's take a look at a few income streams that are available. One of the most common and perhaps easiest ways to begin building passive income is with affiliate marketing. Now, for those of you who don't know, affiliate marketing is where you sell another brand's products in exchange for a small commission from that brand. The Amazon affiliate program is probably the most well-known and probably most recognized affiliate marketing program right now, and for good reason. It's Amazon. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions about this program is that you're going to start earning immediately. And to a certain point, that's true. However, there's an observation period where you're held to a certain standard and must complete a certain amount of qualified sales in order to be accepted into the program. If you don't complete this period and meet their terms, you're not accepted into the program. So keep that in mind. Many other people that are telling you this is how to get started forget to mention this exact part. How much income you can earn through the Amazon affiliate program is entirely up to you. You can actually follow along my journey here on my YouTube channel as I show you my real quarterly earnings through their program. The results may be a little more surprising than you actually think. Now, I haven't achieved those tens of thousands of dollars a month level some others may be at right now, and that's okay. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is building up to more lucrative passive income in the long run. Another way to get into earning passive income is to sell digital products. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, if you've discovered how to create content that produces enough traffic to host ads, or that people are willing to pay for directly, you could create a product your audience would love to buy. That could be anything from a simple ebook, graphic design, merchandise, all the way up to a complex member-based website that generates passive income for years after it's released. Now, this area could be a bit more difficult for many to get involved in if you don't have the knowledge and or the background in one of these fields to actually create these digital products. Just know there are other avenues like selling digital products out there to help you to begin to earn passive income. But again, do take time to build and market properly. The list of passive income ideas could go on forever. Just remember, as you search for the best fit for you, keep an eye out for the ideas that show positive long-term track records. Do other people make money on the idea? Or has it come back to bite someone who's tried it? Don't fall for any passive income ideas that promise a quick return or require huge amounts of money up front. These are all most likely scams aimed at not earning you passive income, rather the person running the scam. Always look for ideas that are steady, profitable, and trustworthy. To learn even more about social media marketing, video, and product reviews, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.